Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to patch the SQL servers which are participating in AWS. So here I am showing the real-time process what we are following the one of the client. Some of the client directly will say you that please upgrade so and so server to the latest version. At the time we need to go to the latest version, and this one of the client he only directly send the information what is the build version, what is the build that we need to upgrade. So here, technician group who is are in the shift at that time, they will mention at this, we will send the document, and otherwise our team leader at TL, they will send that. Otherwise, they will simply mention the our company name here and the contact person details. Now, what is the time when we need to do this activity, and what are the servers that we need to do for patching. Now this is the time and how many SQL servers are like two, like what is the build version from 1006 to 41450, and what is the environment type? It's a prod, so we need to be careful, and it is participating in always on. So first we need to mute the servers in the monitoring server, otherwise it will create unnecessary alerts. And once we identify the second replica, and we need to change the commit mode to asynchronous, failover to the manual, and secondary connections to no. So once we de-identified us, and once that when the time comes, we need to send the email saying that our there we are upgrading the SQL servers. So when we identify, we need to go to the respective secondary servers. We need to take the RDP and go to the patch file before if there is a patching for today. Now tomorrow, I mean yesterday only, we have to download and we have to keep the patch file in that respective location in the respective servers. Okay, now we need to take the remote desktop into the servers and go to the patch file and right click on now all this verify I mean right click on we need to upgrade that SQL server and reboot that. Okay, now from SSMS to once we have done, we need to connect and verify the patch level 4510 is there or not, and we need to server is like any server errors in event viewer or SQL server agent services are all jobs are running. What are the standard precautions that we use to checkpoints that we need to check. Once it is done, we need to change the asynchronous commit mode to synchronous commit mode and see the second health has been become healthy or not. Once it is become healthy, we need to change to primary replica status to asynchronous commit mode and failover to and read secondary to no and failover to secondary. Now we need to take that another secondary server which is previously primary, and we need to go to the patch file and run and reboot the server. So same thing what we have done, like verification patch level, DB servers, agents and everything. Once we verified that, and we need to change the asynchronous commit mode to synchronous mode for all the replicas which are participating in that availability groups, and read on and everything, automatic failover and everything. Once it is done, once it is healthy, now what I once now we need to fail back to the primary which how it was back before patching. Now, once it is all done, we need to send an email saying that upgradation has been completed, and we need to unmute the both servers in our monitoring server. Monitoring would be different from one server to another server. Now, upgrade service now tickets with tickets waiting for we have to update all these informations are like saying that information has been completed like so and so, and we are waiting for the confirmation and put the status into waiting for customer confirmation, and we have to wait and we need to keep on this until application confirms. Then we can close the tickets and do the billing, whatever the billing that you have performed. Now done, like before that, we need to drop that email when the time comes before like 15 minutes like that. Okay, once it is done, now go to the in the here where I don't have any jump server. That's the reason I'm showing the practicals and VMware workstation. Now I have connected to the node 1. Now go to the properties. So this is node 1 is acting as a primary replica. Now go to availability groups. Now change to asynchronous commit mode to asynchronous commit mode, failover to manual, manual to manual, and like read only secondary to no, no. Now that's it. click OK. Now it is done. Now go to secondary replica. Now take the screenshots, whatever you want. Now close the SSMS. Go to patch file. This is the patch file. Now go to run as administrator. So generally we use this website to download and to see the what is the latest patch file and everything. So now we need to click the accept, proceed to next. So the SQL Server as admins has been selected. Now next, now upgrade. Now you can see that initialization on node 2, which is secondary, has been completed successfully. Yep. Now close this window. Now if you want, you can see this like patch and everything. Now we need to pass, but reboot is required. Now cancel and close this window. Now close all these windows. Uh, Done. Now restart. So now Control Alt Delete the password. Now open .services.msc, and meanwhile open SSMS as well. Meanwhile open event viewer. So it is automatic delay, right? So you can start. Otherwise, it should be automatic only. Now, now go to secondary and connect it, or otherwise go to node 1 and go to next, refresh this one. Now go expand always on availability groups. Now go to properties, change to this synchronous commit mode. Now show on show the dashboard. Now warnings is there. Some replicas are not synchronizing. Yeah, we have to wait to this. Now go to new query. See any errors, sp underscore read error log. Yeah, Harsha. Okay, this is not the database. It is not participating in. Yeah, this is very old. Where is Harsha database? Yes, recognizing. Yep. Now, damn it, because it's read only. Yep, because is not read only. Yes, this is okay. Yep, not no nothing. This is expected. And now go to V1 viewer. You can check that. Meanwhile, uh, refresh this. Now meanwhile go to properties. Change this to asynchronous. Read only secondary to automatic. Click OK. Yep. Now close this. Wait for wait for a couple of minutes, and so that it all becomes should become healthy because of the data it has transferred, right? So we have to wait. Now meanwhile go to this availability databases, see any databases are in pass. No, good. Now every database is connected. Now listener is also working. Now go to primary. Now show dashboard. Now it is become healthy. Okay, now you have to failover. Now click on failover. Now next, 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 connect, next, finish. Yeah, done. Click close. Now this one, okay. Now node 1 became secondary, right? So now same, go to node 1, node 2, which is primary. Like go to always and availability groups, go to primary, go to properties. Now change this to primary to asynchronous, so manual, read only to secondary, no. Click OK. Now it is done. Now go to this patch file, run as administrator. Now if I open here, see what is the patch level, node, see 4150 is a new patch level. Here you can see that. Wait for this file. Now select the I accept the license terms and price statement. Proceed to next. Select the instance. It got selected automatically. Now next, next, upgrade. Installation has been completed successfully on node 1. Now you can click on this window. So final release is pending. We need to reboot it. Okay, now it's done. Now close all these windows. Otherwise, this is not okay. To Now restart the node 1. Now it's plan, continue. Now press Alt Control Delete. Now open SSMS. Now connect to node 1. Still you are unable to connect. It means it got services got delayed. Now go to services.msc. Yeah, wait, it is. Yeah, we are able to connect. See, the status was 4150. It means that was connected. Now go to start. Yep, it's already started. So now new query. And if you want to check generally in the event viewer also you have to check generally. Now read error log, execute. Meanwhile, go to event viewer. So we have successfully upgraded to like CU15. Okay, so still it is executing. Now go to Windows log, click on application. See any unusual logs that might affect that SQL Server later. So as of now, we have currently downtime, right? So if anything, we have to react immediately. Otherwise, if normal, we can ignore. So all are like norm information messages only. So yep, almost pretty common. Now we got one error. So what is that error? So license check, yeah, this is not related to us, so you can ignore. Okay, yeah, not related to SQL Server, right? So we can ignore. So now, yeah, not any new like problematic errors. So now if you come down, so yeah, not everything is good. Everything is good. Yeah, non only informative messages only, not that much. Now connect to node 2. Now go to availability groups. Now properties. Now change back to synchronous commit mode. Failover to automatic. Now here you can see the secondary to yes or whatever it redundant. Previously how it could be. Now you have to set the same. Now I'm setting to yes here. Now click OK. So depending upon the database sizes and everything, okay, so it will take time. So sometimes databases, you just refresh this one. Sometimes databases will went to the pass mode. So here you need to check that either it is passed or like resume. You have to check verify. Now go to dashboard. Yeah, now everything is healthy. Now you can failover. Start. Click on start failover wizard. Now next, connect to node 1. Next, finish. Yeah, close. Now close this window. It's not required. Now go to primary. Now currently node 1 it is. Now go to like show dashboard. So now it's everything is good, right? So now what you need to do here is now to come here. Previously I took the snap like this. Now copy this. Now open this notepad. So now I have to do like this. Okay, so what is the build version before node 1 and node 2? This is 1000, this is 4150. Now you have to drop like this emails. Now copy the signature and you can like you have to drop an email to the client. Once you drop, you have to update the ticket, and meanwhile you can also take that screenshots up to here, whatever it could be, and you can also include that screenshot if you want, so that yeah, now everything is healthy. Now you can drop an email to the client and put the ticket in the status support and also enable the unmute the both servers in monitoring servers. So once you got confirmation from the client, you can close the ticket. So this is how we used to do the patching for all SQL servers which are participating in Always On. I hope you may like this video. Thank you.